Does your adolescent son understand how easy it is for someone to get pregnant? If they're in puberty, their body is preparing them to be the other half of the equation to make a conception happen. I know that's a frightening thought for you, that that's what's going on right now, and you'd love to figure out a way to stop it, but there's no stopping this. So the important thing is to educate them so that they understand their own body and they understand their partner's body, and they can begin to make good choices when they're confronted with these situations. You know, most parents are very challenged to teach their boys about puberty. For some reason, we're better with girls, but we need to get better with the boys. And it's even more frightening to talk to them about sex. So as a result, many of our young boys are clueless when it comes to how easy it is, to understanding how easy it is for them to be part of a conception. So, okay, what do we need to do? Well, first we need to make sure they understand their own bodies. They need to understand where sperm are made. They need to understand ejaculation. But they also need to have some information about the girl's reproductive system and how all of this comes together. So in my book, I'm a Boy, Hormones, I included an illustration that you can use that will help your sons to learn some of this information. So this is actually a picture of the female reproductive system, and it shows the sperm coming in and then coursing over toward the ovaries so they can find the egg that's been released there. They need to know that the body, the girl's body and the boy's body, are both designed for a baby to happen. We need the babies so that our species can continue to go on. So the whole system is set up for this to actually happen. So they need to understand then how it happens and what they can do to make sure it doesn't happen. So this is where you can begin. Begin with an illustration like this and just make sure they understand the simple facts. It is very easy for someone to get pregnant. This is Dr. Metten with Anatomy for Kids.